Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial we're going to reveal to you a simple trick how you can customize your page zoom in the Opera web browser really quickly. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So there's a simple trick you may apply here, guys. All you need to do is access your browser settings in Opera. To do that, or the fastest way to do that would be to simply use the shortcut Alt-P on your keyboard, or to click on that Opera icon in the top left corner of your home screen and to click on settings, and inside your browser settings simply use the search bar here and type in page zoom, and after that you will be given the opportunity to that customization tool here. So if you click on that drop down menu here, you will be given the opportunity to set a custom page zoom like 100%, 120, 50, 25, 75, and so on and so forth. So simply select your preferred page zoom. It is on 100% on default, but you may switch to a custom page zoom, and that's basically all to it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.